What's up, YouTube? We're making top ramen. Let's see how you make your top ramen. First, I got the water heating up. See, real hot. I'm using recent top ramen chicken. What flavors of top ramen do y'all like? What flavor of top ramen do y'all like? Yeah, I got it water boiling hot right now, so put the water real hot boil. Put the top ramen in. Let it start cooking. Then I put the lid on after a few minutes. Once it starts already getting soft, so I put the lid on top with the after I apply the flavor. Okay, now we take the lid off. It's been cooking for 3 to 5 minutes. I usually cook mine in 3 minutes. I don't like it too soft or too hard. Let's see. Smoking. Just pour it in the bowl. Now me, I don't like a lot of broth in my noodles, so I pour most of it out. And just like that, an instant snack. Cooking with Terry, cooking with Terry, cooking with Terry.